So you've seen the inside, now let's talk about the outside, because this is my favorite part of this house, even if it is hot out here, because of that. You see that behind me? That is actually a large above ground pool, but it has been completely decked, as you'll see in the video. The decking goes all the way around. There's a gazebo built up, and then there's decking that goes along the back of the lot and a large sun deck there. So imagine, if you will, if this was your house today, when it's 105 outside, you could be lounging in that pool. This is just one of the great amenities that makes this house such a great buy. I wonder if they'd mind if I took a dip. That's a video you are not going to see.